Hey crafty people, and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by today. We are on day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas calendar unboxing. Let's see, what is it going to be today? So far we have a beautiful frame die, we had a stamp set, we had glue, and we had some flower sequins. So let's see. Number 4. If I'm trying to guess, this reminds me of the stamp set day. So maybe it is another stamp set? I'll have to see. Oh, it is! This is called Tiny Tag Sentiments, and it is the stamp and die set. And it even cuts out the little ones. That's awesome. So we have a gift for you from for you with love, a special gift for you, happy holidays to you, a little something just for you from the heart. I hope you like this. A handmade gift just for you, have a great birthday, a sweet treat. You've got a little swags, action, some hearts. Oh, this is so cute. This will be great to use all through the year. That's what I really like about this, the 12 Days of Christmas calendar, because it's not all like holiday and Christmas based. This is a lot of throughout the year kind of a thing, so I really like that. Alright, so there you have it for day 4, the Tiny Tag Sentiments. This would be perfect. I like how it's elongated because that's perfect for the bottom of a tag. I love it. I love it. Alright, well join me tomorrow at 2 o'clock for day 5 unboxing. And again, I will put the playlist for this unboxing series in the description box. Be sure to go check that out. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.